Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSC. So today this short video here, we'd like to go through these two counters, Genting and Genting M. Okay, so seems like currently they hit some certain resistance and making some pullback. Okay, of course the red pentagon just turned yesterday for Genting M. So we're gonna look into more information. Okay, what is going to uh, looks like, okay, moving forward, and what is the expectation we want to see, or maybe what is the signals, okay, we want to expect at certain price area. So I'm going to do a few things. Okay, so let's look into the trend line or the trend line. Okay, so at least this is short-term wise still pointing up based on daily chart. So again, a few things that usually I like to do. First of all, the midpoint, okay, breaking below midpoint. So potentially the the momentum, okay, is getting weaker, okay, in this uptrend here. So maybe it will make a deeper pullback. Okay, so usually if let's say price trending below the midpoint, there's a chances for them to hit S1 and S2. Okay, so this is probably the areas that you want to monitor if let's say you haven't really looked for an entry yet. So let's look into weekly chart. Okay, again, we want to check the overall weekly chart. Is the trend, everything's still good? So of course, it make a shakeout accumulation nicely. So short term wise, based on weekly chart, is still a bit sideways and pointing up. I can say that's okay. So a little bit of uptrend. So again, uh, probably a pullback is expected. Okay, so as I mentioned here, is the resistance. If you realize there's UT previously, okay, we got a false breakout, okay, and UT shakeout at the bottoms, and seems like almost hit and probably making a pullback for 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, so continue to use the daily chart. Few things again as a members you want to expect here. The volume from yesterday actually is still pretty average to high. Okay, so one thing is that you want to see when they're going back to trend for this area, which is the S1, S2 areas, you want to see low volume. Okay, test spring and as well helps. Okay, in this case. So let's look into Genting. Okay, so both the chart is following very closely. Okay, against the trend is pointing up slightly. Okay, let's look into weekly. Weekly is still trending up very nicely. So seems like they are kind of like holding up over here, okay, which is right exactly at the 40 areas. Okay, so midpoint, okay, all right, I think it makes sense because it seems like going to start to make a pullback from here, right? So here is below midpoint. Okay, this is a little bit of momentum. Break below, probably it still needs some time, retest and goes up again. So again, few things we should expect. Use the S1, okay, or if not, going back to the daily chart, okay, but we just put here. Okay, so this is the S1 area, right? So hopefully we will see something like low volume test and as well helps, okay, in this case, right? So let's see how it goes. Okay, anyway, both of the counter just turns to red pentagon. Yesterday I think is a is a kind of worth good counters and worth to pay a little bit more attention, because I think overall the background on this counter is pretty nice and good, and I think they have a very good chance to form a VCP. But of course, we want to recheck again. All right, at the near support, is there any good sound strengths coming up? Okay, so hopefully we'll see more and nice sound strengths for Genting M. Okay, for those that who are looking for entry, okay, if you want to we add Pentagon NS test spring will help, okay, in this area. So again, this video here is not to ask you to buy and sell some stocks. We are not here to give a buy call everything. Just do a quick analysis based on one spread analysis. Okay, if you like what you see, and if you think that this channel here helps you to learn more about VSA one spread analysis, remember to subscribe to this channel, click the like buttons for me. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.